Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles right here in Mansfield, Texas. Here today to show you a really well made, it's a CM trailer. It's a Route 66 tandem axle, 3,500 pound each for a total of 7,000 pounds. It's got a set of E-rated trailer tires. It's got vents in the front, vents in the back to keep the airflow. The gentleman that owned this originally hauled a trike in it. It's got the ramp door, and it's wide and it's long. It's like 15 feet of space, 6 feet of ceiling height, actually about 6'2", and the door is a little less than that. It's got paneling on the inside, a checkerboard floor. It's got a wheel chock for the trike, which you could take that out if you wanted to haul a couple other bikes or ATVs. It's got a nice shelf up here with little tie down loops everywhere where you can put your parts or oil, or depending on what your hobby is. There's a rack here where you can hang like a riding suit, a little bar, spare tire, and a 4-way jack. But CM makes quality trailers. They actually make horse trailers. It's what they're kind of famous for. But the trailer's heavy, it's solid, it's just very well made. You can see down the sides it's not beat up or damaged. Just needs a good cleaning. It's got the lights over the fender, the amber and red lights. It's got the NATM certification, which just means it's a National Association of Trailer Manufacturers. That's a quality trailer manufactured by CM Trailers. And they're out of Madill, Oklahoma. It's got the diamond plate rock guard on the front. And it's not a totally flat front. It's kind of what they call a round front. And a lot of them have what's called a V-nose. But this gives you the maximum space inside the trailer. The V-nose, you sacrifice a little bit of space, and that's why it has that nice shelf up front, because it's got the room to mount it. You can see the roof is aluminum. It's got a little step up when you open the door, but it's a nice trailer. If you're wanting to haul ATVs or motorcycles or whatever your poison is, golf cart, mini dragster, this would be a great trailer for you. It does take the larger ball. It's the 2 5/16, I believe. Should say on there. But it's the bigger one, it's not the 2-inch. But if you have any questions and you're looking for a really nice hauler, this is a good one. Check us out. It's got electric brakes on it as well. But have a great day. I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails.